Okay, before I do the demo for you, I just want to show you the power of this system. Right now, I'm running a campaign for one of our salespeople, and we really focus on just starting the conversation with people when we're reaching out to them so that we can start having a two-way conversation back and forth and not just sending them to a sales page or trying to get them to sign up. So right now, I'm just targeting Minneapolis marketing agencies, and this is currently processing right now. So if I come over to my campaign logs and I view my logs here, and I go and look for a company that just responded to me within the last 15 minutes of actually starting the campaign itself. So I'm going to look it up. It's called Stone Arch Creative right here. So you can see that there was a mail email sent out to them, and if I come over here to my inbox, you can see that at 9:09 a.m. 15 minutes ago today, that someone actually communicated back to me. So we sent out a message offering free demo, blah blah blah, and asking them just to contact us or reply to us if they're looking for to schedule a demo. So this individual actually reached out to me. So now I actually have the ability to communicate back to them and start the conversation to get them into the process of actually being able to do a demo and then hopefully creating them as a customer. So just wanted to show you that really quickly before we jump into the demo. Hey there, this is Zach Anderson, and I wanted to give you a really quick demo of our new software that we're releasing that has really turbocharged the success of our business. Give you a little bit of a background. The reason why we built this software is because we wanted to automate the sales and marketing process that we were doing on a manual basis inside of our business to generate new prospects for our salespeople to contact and close. Prior to this, what we were doing is we were having people manually go out on Google and search for the particular businesses that we were targeting, go to their websites, and fill out the contact us form to deliver a message directly to the business. They were also searching the website to find email addresses and send out emails to those particular subscribers. The problem was that we had to hire and manage multiple people in order to do this for us on a daily, monthly basis. So what we built is we built a software that completely automates that entire process. I'll just really quickly walk you through a couple of the aspects of it and then show you how we run a campaign. So basically, initially what you'll do is you will create a profile for yourself. And in this particular profile, you're going to basically have your full name, first name, last name, company name, email, phone, zip, state, website URL, and a signature. And what this is utilized for is when our software goes out and identifies the websites that you're trying to target, it's going to search the entire website, find the contact us form, and then fill out the contact us form with this information from your profile, and then also fill out a very customized message that you will include inside the contact us form. So once you've created the profile, the next thing you're going to want to do is create the contact us message that's going to be able to be filled out on the particular websites themselves. So for example, we've got two messages that we actually are doing on the particular site. And what happens with this is we have multiple messages so that it's going to be rotating these messages so that we're going to be able to see which one's going to be more successful. For example, this is a very simple message that we utilize just to generate communication with the particular business. So this one basically says, would you like to increase your recurring revenue without increasing any additional work? Just reply back to this email and we'll send you some information. So what we're trying to do is just start a conversation. There's a lot of different ways that you can go about doing this, but this is one of the ways that we found that would work extremely well. What the software also does is when it's running the campaign, it's also searching the website and finding any email addresses that are on the website, and then it's going to also send out a message to those particular people on what we would call an autoresponder. And so if you look at these emails, basically we've got another one, which is the same thing, quick question. And then once that one's completed, and then a day after that particular email, this secondary email is sent out. And you can add multiple emails that are delivered on a follow-up sequence so you can have multiple touch points with that particular business off of one search that you're doing. So let's just go over the campaign real quick and just run in one of these really quickly. So we're going to create a campaign and we're just going to call this Olympia Marketing Agencies. So we're going to target marketing agencies in Olympia. So I'm going to just type in Olympia, find that. It's going to use the Google API to search for that. We're going to add in the keyword, and that particular keyword is going to be marketing agency. And then I'm going to select the email message group that's going to be going out. So when it finds an email address on this particular website, it's going to send an email out to that particular person. I'm going to also choose the contact message group that we're going to utilize. That's going to fill out the contact us form with this particular message. And finally, the profile. So I'm going to utilize my own profile so that when it goes and finds that contact us form, it's going to fill out all that information with my information, phone number, address, website, all of those types of things. And finally, we're going to choose that we're going to have the system send out an email and fill out the contact form if it finds both of those on a particular website. So first off, we're just put all this information in and we're going to click on search. And what it's doing right now is it's actually going out to the internet and it's doing a live search and finding all of the businesses that are in Olympia that are a marketing agency. And so we were just utilizing one keyword, one location at this point, and the search brought back 22 records. Obviously, if you go with a larger city or multiple cities or multiple keywords, you're going to have a lot larger amount of people that you're going to be able to target. So I just wanted to choose a small city just so you could see how this happens. I'm going to just select all of these, and basically what I'm going to do is click on process. And so what the system's actually going to go out and do is now it's going to go and queue it up in our system, go out to each one of those individual websites, scan the entire website, find any email addresses it has, bring it back into our system, send out an email if it has an email address. It's also going to search the entire website looking for a contact us form. If it finds the contact us form, it's going to go ahead and fill out that contact us form with the particular profile and message that you've created. So I'm going to just pause this and wait for this thing to stop processing, and then I'll show you the results once it's completed. Okay, so the campaign has completed, and now I'm just going to click on view the results. And so you can see here with this particular one, we had a 63.64% success rate. Obviously, those go up and down depending on the websites, whether they find email addresses on them or contact us forms. We've been averaging over 75% success rate with all of our particular campaigns. And you can see here how it works is it basically is going to record the business name, the address, the website, the phone, the email address, the message that was sent, the profile, whether the form was filled out or an email was sent. It identifies if there's forms, if there was emails. Obviously, this one shows that there was a form sent. There was no email on there. This particular one was a form sent. And basically, it's going to just scour the entire internet based off of your keywords and location, and then do all of the heavy lifting for you so that you do not have to go out there and hire somebody or do this on a manual basis. Again, we've been using this in our business for over a year now. We've been utilizing the software for probably the last 3 to 4 months with a lot of success. It's saved us a tremendous amount of money with our outsourcers, and we've been able to give this directly to our salespeople so that they can utilize it and actually create their own campaigns, their own targeting, and their own messages. So very simple, very straightforward, and very, very powerful way to generate new prospects and leads for your business in any particular niche and any location.